Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is fish fry. The fish I am using in this recipe is Indian salmon. In Hindi it is called Rawas. So firstly I am gonna start with the marination process. For this I am taking 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I am using 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, that is turmeric powder. Also 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper sprinkler in it. Using 1 teaspoon of salt. Using 1 lemon juice. Taking out lemon seeds from it. Now mixing all the dry ingredient and making a paste. If required, you can use 1 teaspoon of oil in it. My husband bought this fish was 1 kg. So from this fish, head and tail I had used in fish curry and remaining portion I am using in marination. Removing marination paste from the spoon and applying on the fish. Apply the paste on both the side of fish. Doing the same on every pieces of fish. Properly putting the masala on every fish. Finished the marination process. Now covering the lid and letting it marinate for 3 to 4 hours in refrigerator. For frying process, I am using rice flour for coating. Putting fish in heated oil. Repeat the same process for other fishes too. Fry the fish pieces on a medium flame for 1 minute. Turn the fishes after 1 minute and fry it for another 1 minute. From both the side my fish is looking crispy. Now it's time to remove in a plate. Taking time to remove excess oil from the fish and removing in plate. This is very easy and simple recipe of fish fry. Hope you will like it and try it at your home. Please give feedback on a comment section. Thanks for watching, friends. I will be back with another recipe soon. Please do check my other recipes on the end of the video.